You may be asking yourself, now wait for it, am I done? You just bought a home. All the paperwork is signed. All the conditions are met. Woohoo! Congratulations. Now you may be asking yourself, is there anything else? Are we done? What do I have to do? Once you firm up on your home purchase and the home is officially sold, there are a few things left to do. Completing these tasks will ensure that closing or moving day will go smoothly. In today's video, I will let you know exactly what to do after buying the house. Now stay tuned to the end of the video where I will let you know how you can get immediate access to your free moving checklist. Hi, my name is Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team and iPro Realty. I provide information, but more importantly, interpretation of that information so that you can make best and informed decisions for yourself and your family so that you can live the life of your dreams in the home of your dreams. Congratulations, you just bought a home. You may be wondering, am I done? Is there anything to do before closing and getting the keys and moving in? There are a few tasks to complete before moving day, and completing these tasks will ensure that you have a smooth moving experience. So what are these tasks, you ask? Let's jump in and find out. Number 1, notify your mortgage lender that the offer has firmed up, meaning that all the conditions have been removed and the house is officially yours. Submit all of the paperwork related to the agreement of purchase and sale, along with a copy of the MLS listing. Number 2, select the lawyer that you will use to close the deal. You may wish to use a lawyer who is solely a real estate lawyer, or you may choose to use a lawyer you have already worked with. Ensure that the lawyer is familiar with real estate transactions. Notify your lender and the realtor of the lawyer you selected and exchange their information with your lawyer. If you don't know a lawyer, ask your realtor. They will likely have a list to choose from. Number 3, movers and moving truck availability can go quickly. So as soon as possible, decide if you will move your furniture yourself or if you will book a mover, and book your space as soon as possible. If you are getting quotes from a mover, request a flat fee price instead of an hourly rate, because you never know if you will encounter delays on moving day. As a tip, closings usually occur late afternoon, so take that into consideration when booking your truck or movers. Number 4, if you are moving into a condo apartment, book the elevator as soon as possible. Fridays and end of month moves are really popular, so is secured before it's gone. Number 5, if you have small children, consider arranging a sitter for moving day. Number 6, if you have pets, consider having someone watch them on moving day. Number 7, contact your local insurance provider. Arrange for property insurance on the new home. The lender will require proof of insurance, usually in the form of an insurance binder, prior to them releasing the funds on closing day. Number 8, if you are renting, notify your current landlord in writing that you are moving and of the date. Number 9, set up your utility accounts for the new property. Think in terms of heat, hydro, water, utilities, as well as cable and internet. Let them know of the day of the move, and if you need someone to come to the house to set up, say, your internet, for example, arrange that for after 5 p.m., not first thing on the morning of the move day, because likely you won't have the keys until later in the day. Closings are usually complete by 5, so by 5 you should have the keys to let them in. So if possible, arrange it for after 5 or for the following day. Number 10, if you have kids, register them at the new school. You'll need to bring a copy of the agreement of purchase and sale with you to show proof of your address when registering at the new school. Number 11, if your mail delivery will be to a super box, let the post office know and get a new lock and set of keys for your box. Number 12, provide notification of your address change and mail everywhere. You can pay a fee at the post office to have any mail forwarded from your old address to your new address. That way you won't miss out on anything important. Also, remember to notify your employers, schools, creditors, subscriptions, driver's license, insurance policies, banking, credit cards, investments, doctors, online commerce, retailers, deliveries of your change of address. For a list of people that you need to notify, you can click the link below to get your free moving checklist. Ensure that the property is equipped with operational smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. If they are old, consider purchasing new ones and have them ready to go for moving day. If you have a home inspection report, review it and see if there are any items that need immediate attention, and be prepared to complete them if needed. Change your alarm codes. You may also want to arrange to replace door locks on the front and garage doors. Number 16. Prior to your move-in date, find out where the water and gas shutoff valves are, as well as where the electrical panel and main shutoff switch is. That way, if there is an incident where you need to turn off the water, you know where the shutoff valve is. Number 17. Find out when garbage and recycling day is so that you can prepare to have your garbage taken care of. Number 18. Consider arranging help or cleaners for moving day. And my last tip is to prepare a moving day utility box. This box will have some things that you will likely need on moving day, and having everything in one place will make the move simpler. Some of the items you may wish to have on hand include paper towels, band-aids, box cutters, toilet paper, soap, cleaners, broom, garbage bags, flashlight, toothpaste, toothbrush, water bottles, and some non-perishable snacks. Hopefully you found this list of what to do after buying a house and before moving day to be helpful. The list will help you best prepare for your big day, making the transition to your new house smoother and more enjoyable. Congratulations on your home purchase. Now, for immediate access to your free moving checklist, simply click on the link below. You may also want to check out my next video of things not to do once you've bought a home. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Let me know what types of real estate information you'd like to see in a future video. See you at the next video.